Enra and Cocoa Board. Create a free woman akache. Ever beto just say Cocoa Board management, any senior staff. One more aketria. One more artist by 20% and 10%. Na Kratano and screen is to join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Yes, also live on YouTube, all the social media handles, no. Ubinya na to me ashe. Na Kratano ni dated Enra 16 February 2026. Na Ose Cocoa Board management and senior staff pay cut. The executive management and senior staff of Cocoa Board have effective today, Monday, February 16, 2026, reduced their salaries for the remainder of 2025-2026 crop year in recognition of the current liquidity challenges in the cocoa industry. The executive management has taken a 20% cut, while the senior staff have taken 10% reduction in their respective salaries. Now, go on and on. The entire umuteki sa decisions no ne adena. I mean, me sa krate because some of us maka cocoa ho asem no wa. Na I was wondering say e di ntina ye beti kwiani no yesi cocoa industry na nkasa no problem wo. Ene adwaman so no ebo no se yesi ye kofa mu a fine. Ye tikwiani no esika so a. Ye nin hihye bia se betumi akushin wo mo ne ye de atwen another crop season se bia eduru ho a ekosura na nke ye de recoup sika no a ye de show masene sese no ye ma ebo no bia ebegina ba bi egina no a. Na some of us were saying say enke mpe bibi enfa enso masene na nke ebo no nyina de egina no 3000 cc no a na nke duru crop season foforo bia ebo no behuri akosura saa aka no a ya bo ho na nke de emfaso a ye benya saa bre no e de abekushi na be shan na mu ana se de abe recoup saa eka no a ya ye wo ho no na nso ni nyina mu na mpanimfo se ya teso. It is some of us e kasa bebre se e di ntina Cocoa Board mpanimfo CEO ne na senior staff ahodo mo wo ho no de o beje o salary saa because cocoa ni no so a wodua no cocoa kuani no ono so ne bosumi akatua ene cocoa no a wokoton ye woje no a ya teso. Eti eduru season no a ete se de ono so bosumi aso a ye kopia ne ka ti se ne de so ate ade ntina mpanimfo te wo a wo mo de so nte na I think say this is a good step omwatiki say they are listening mutie the council mutie and they are very important because swentie ene onwam etikopo politicians ndu baby a iya so den obeka bibia yentie. This is a good step from Randy Abbey ene wapamfo semonso mwatete mwaketua no so by 10%. Mekura de minyaya na nkamwate so by 30%. Because we have one day almost about 28%. Tinanka musumat so by sa margin wa. Because at least more the allowances kakra be fi fechiri ni adia aketua na mu na chiri and te ho kakra no kra nso ha eno no so ntimo de ekura nke kosoro kakra nke but this one is not bad. At least mo akire say musumo tete so mote pay na ekoso no so na decision no is based on Musi industry problem a face. It is a crown no ma mobile contracts are mobile procurements are who are mobile and more share multitude. Is good. Meaning we know na meniaje sanse ka ye bo na industry no e sofa na ye be didi hu se de we bi ti opani bi no de oje an oje o fili because e common bia mobile nhye ye be boa cocoa industry no. Is in America, say, make a expect 30%. Momo cat, no can go 30. Say, when I come ye, to your condition when I come. Sikano Swatia, Mobile ye net me abuama, industry no et me academy. Now, a million amiko say, Yera, a year Opoku, any a year mebra penny, Obi, etching Comoa Sempa. Now, Opoku. A fantastic man, me pe ne communication pa. But now I became very disappointed. Ewo hawa all rationalize a boa yateso no. Cocoa ne boa yateso no. I was very much disappointed. Tinam bizame won say e bibia na se sebe yede ye politics and say you try to rationalize. Ade no anye sede ye pe no. enka honorably te said enka Erika J eye no NEIP boss eye no na nko oba abontin be ka say oh ye pakuafo chew Saturday na me Hussein Ibrahim wa ono so NDC communication team member and spokesperson for regional minister ono so accept ye a ono pakuafo ne chew hu say eya wom Baira Opoku communication mu ne nsem anu wo ka no ebe se yetiewie na ne ebe wo ka no maka de afa ho tiewe da Facebook in 104.5
Esikanitimi to emfaso and that is what in the economic risk ano the esikanitimi to and that is what in economics we call the real income. Yes, the real income the esikanitimi ayede ato and at any point in time the real income of the farmer no be fall no na ho ayede actually no. But if the real income of the farmer goes up, then the farmer is better off. Now, and the same farmer, yes, the same farmer, yate cocoa boso di amano 2,587. Ejine, kwenya konya 3,600 na anu ye. Kwenya na gambi bita wonya 3,100. 8 minutes to 26 bags of cement no. Ene wonya 2,587. Ba exchange rate na. A man is can call for no. And also I work here quite cement buono so every 120 the about 80. Me no ka say cement baby 75. But me person me here very fair. Yen use retail price na was no 80 cedis. And the next bag na yate so e the about 2,587 no. So the no akogina cement no ho a obenya 32 bags. Obi tie ni yo. We aye yera Opoku Minister for Food and Agriculture. The assertion on na cocoa price na yate so no say cocoa ni no waka ni twi nti nyina yate ase. Na wo mo do cocoa no o se wo mo real income. Na say no yate so de ensu ska wo mo gie no. Wo mo de to cement yate so nti no. Enya ade a ese ya asem bibiri de maye. Baby Opoku they say the cocoa board no the Akokoa finance ministry na say any agric ministry enti say bia when you briefing of said ya na akuafo no cocoa akuafo na nkasa ekomu ni yie dia I don't know, but how can you tell me say obi akatua wogi de bia no yate so and that person shouldn't have a worry? Because 28%, almost 28% farm gate price I have to swadiaba from 3,600 to 2,500 and something. And yes, you can get one at here free so. And if that logic, and now would they badia send ne cement is what enti yemfa esika wogye see a teso kra no a ebetumi amwa survival na watumi atena yie bibia NCDA. Then I will ask, say, from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and all the appointees are a wa bemina de bano. Yenti will be akepiaso by 20 to 28%. If that is the logic, say ne bibia swatinti epiafoni sika sotia enya hwemi enya hu dede kese na enya ade bi ehu because we dey compare 2024 dia. Ene mesre wo say free aban no soro basic firm appointees ni nyina yentiti wo maketua so because now the dollar rate is okay. Bibia e kama cement bo so yentiti so se be ya yete so kra na they can still meet their needs. Ana ya ne du ba bia pese yedi bibia eye politics. Mama mi say rent yate so ana efie wrafo ni sika no wo mo je ne yate so e wo mu se kuadi ni hye afurum wo de nanso ne baby abetena krom o high hostel ne baby eti baby a otwa dan kama no onu ankasa kura no enya busua ni nyina ne guwura mu ho obu okro wo kokofu wo wuram ba onu ankasa ti krom ene wode ne sika hye kokofu nim otwa dan ka rent yenti so school fees yenti so nanu de aban ko fa first year for mu university ni aka no koko akuafo no mma ewo level 300 ni adenso mbe ono so de no akuafo no libre a wo mo fa mo wura fu mo kodoma wo no
Libra for now papa Akokoa was so much 1.5 1.2 woman so Libra no be kwa kodo ni ko ase no obese tua se sika kro no ade ama no entidi enti na obeka se it doesn't mean anything bia because no maybe wo ha eso boate DNS what here Trade Minister Elizabeth Ofosu-Adjare eba bonti kra no ye worried say di enti na no ma eso nti ye na dollar akofam ne ade na adwadifo enti no ma so je fato so mame ene da ho no Trade Minister appeals to traders to lower prices as economy improves. Bisa ho se ne ensuo na ye tono mu abonte bottle water no bisa se yate so a onam kra no obeto nsuo a ye nte so. There are so many things that you cook room a ye nte so eno me adwadifo na chi wa ha ene electricity no yatum ene da ho no new year begins with 15.92% electricity water electricity 9.86% yatum yente so DVLA one charges one more two DVLA publishes 2026 service fees to ensure transparency one more year no yatutum kakra NIA National Identification Authority one more so atutu one no kakra and the replacement cry now cost 200 cedis. And sometimes you see, and you be beyond see a can tra. Now you say, who's over koto? Over Korea for no one who could more. Now no man could dinko much let you muye, Mr. Oka. Sassy Munko Kanaho. And Kokan Hokra. Because only a Piafono Belmum dinko my own. The way a bit more why. Adia no account because they never expected say sadia no ebesi no menim say anya hwe aban be maintain price na wo ho na wo ka o mesi wo Ivory Coast kura ate so bra Facebook in 104.5 be hwa de yen kasa kwa we talk with evidence enra krata bi ba monten Ivory Coast a kire say o mo maintain o mo price no mo ante so Ivory Coast maintains 3,600 equivalent per cocoa bag as Ghana reduced from 28%. Yeah, de no. Yate so no. Wo mo de no ejina wa. 2,800 sifa no ejina wa. A wo de bag Ghana skemu 3,000 si. O mo de ni ejina wa. Entidi na ye de koye comparison and Ivory Coast for there. Wo mo ateso wo mo so ateso no ma ye say. O mo so mo nteso. Ti sa explanation no sa reason na ye de ma no. Eze no on atosuom enti nyasem papa bi na ka kire kuafo na nya cement bo atinti no meti usika so anya hwe enye no ma nyina ne so ate lewe Opoku enye no ma nyina ne so ate. I became very disappointed but focus on our Greek sector no ane tomatoes no kra no hwe ema yakwu kwai Agric one village one dam no crime yes we investigate because yentimi nko say over 200 million ebi nko two dam na dam no so amamfa so na yentimi nya bi irrigate ami nya nuane ni bi ewo kromu a boki na hwe hyekra no wo mo atumi maintain wo mo dam so wo mo ye ne ekofa bi aba etimi wani nko Nhyira ene cash sika bam tomato sika wom sa no mani nyina. So, na sa rationalization here the way abe ya no ni abe ni say na too bad. You ni ye. Make down no ho asem nra. Na ebinumu didi atem no mo ye. How can you pay 10 million Ghana cedis consultation fee? Sa one village one dam Akufuado peso. A wo mko ye no. Consultation nipa no nkwohwe ha ye ebe ye ana ye ne ha ebe ye ana nye ye no nipa no a oji sika no over 10 million Ghana cedis no ekwa sa consultation no wa me akoye dams no ba bia ye dams no 90% mfaso amaso ne call for investigation I will say president esu tunsu na consultation e tuama nipa ne tuama ne so wonye den ni nimdie no wonfa mo ne hu ba bia ye ne be ye you spend 670,000 on each dam. Ideally, now can say 250,000 cry. And you think it doesn't call for investigations into that? Because you're serious. abusua me ba.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira 104.5 FM.